Om Shanti. 9th May 2020, Babdada Sakar Murli. In the essence, Baba says, Sweet children, you souls have love for the one Father. The Father has taught you to have love for souls and not bodies. Question. While you are making, which effort does Maya create obstacles? What is the way to become a conqueror of Maya? Answer. You make effort to remember the Father so that your sins can be burned away. Therefore, it is in this remembrance that Maya creates obstacles. The Father, the Master, shows you ways to become a conqueror of Maya. Remember the Master with that recognition and you will remain happy and you will continue to make effort and do a lot of service and you will then become a conqueror of Maya. Song. Take us away from this world of sin to a place of rest and comfort. You spiritual children heard the song and understood the meaning of it. No one in the world outside knows its meaning. You children understand that the love of you souls is for the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul. Souls call out to their Father, the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul. Is your love for souls or for bodies? The Father now teaches you that love should be for souls. The bodies are to be destroyed. Love is in the soul. Baba explains to you that your love should now be for the Father, the Supreme Soul, and not for the bodies. Souls call out to their Father to come and take them to a world of charitable souls. You understand that you were sinful souls and that you are now becoming charitable souls. The Father is making you into charitable souls in a wise way. It is only when the Father comes himself and tells you children this that you understand and experience that you are becoming pure charitable souls by having remembrance of the Father. Your sins are being burned away with the power of yoga. Sins cannot be washed away by bathing in Ganges. People go to bath in the Ganges and rub that mud on their bodies, but their sins are not washed away by doing that. Sins can only be removed from the soul with the power of yoga. The alloy is removed. Only you children know and have the faith that your sins will be burnt away by remembering the Father. If you have faith, you should make effort to have remembrance. It is while you are making this effort that Maya creates obstacle. Maya becomes powerful and battles with the powerful ones very well. Why would she battle with weak ones? You children should always be aware that you have to become conquerors of Maya and conquerors of the world. No one understands the real meaning of conquering the world by conquering Maya. It is now being explained to you children how you gain victory over Maya. Maya too is powerful. You children have found the Master. Hardly anyone knows that Master and that too number-wise. Those who know him have that happiness. They make effort by themselves and also do a lot of service. Many people go to Amarnath. Now all human beings ask how there can be peace in the world. You now show everyone how there was peace and happiness in the golden age. There was peace over the whole world. At that time, it was the kingdom of Lakshmi and Narayan. There were no other religions then. It was 5,000 years before today that the golden age came into existence. The world definitely has to go around the cycle. This is shown very clearly in the pictures. The pictures were also created in the previous cycle. These continue to be improved day by day. Sometimes children forget to write the dates etc. on the pictures. There should definitely be the dates etc. on the pictures of Lakshmi and Narayan. It is in the intellects of you children that you were residents of heaven and that you are now to become those again. You will claim a status to the extent that you make effort. You are now being made authorities of knowledge by the Father. Devotion is now about to end. There won't be any devotion in the golden and silver ages. Devotion continues for half the cycle later on. It is only now that you children understand this. After half the cycle, the kingdom of Ravan begins. The whole play is about you people of Bharat. The cycle of 84 birth is for Bharat. Previously, you didn't know that Bharat was the imperishable land. Lakshmi and Narayan were called a god and goddess. The status you claim is so elevated and yet this study is so easy. We will complete the cycle of 84 births and then return home. When you speak of the cycle of 84 births, your intellects go upwards. You now remember the incorporeal world, the subtle region and corporeal world. Previously, you didn't know that the subtle region was. You now understand how you communicate with one another in the movie there. There used to be movie films. This makes it easy for you to explain silence, movie and talkie. Your intellects are now aware of the whole cycle from the kingdom of Lakshmi and Narayan to the present time. While living at home with your families, your only concern should be that you have to become pure. The Father explains, while living at home with your families, finish all attachment to the old world. You have to look after your children etc. But let your intellects be focused on the Father. It is said, while working with your hands, let your intellects be with the Father. While feeding your children and bathing them etc., let there be remembrance of the Father in your intellect. Because you know that a huge burden of sin has been accumulated. That is why your intellects should go to the Father. Remember that beloved a great deal. The Father, the beloved, tells all of you souls, remember me. This part is now being enacted again and it will repeat again after 5,000 years. The Father shows you such an easy method. There is no other difficulty. Some say that they are not able to do this, that they find it very difficult and that the pilgrimage of remembrance is very difficult. Oh, but can't you remember the Father? You should not forget the Father. The Father has to be remembered very well because it is only by doing this that your sins can be absolved and you become ever healthy. Otherwise, you won't be able to become this. You are receiving very good sound advice. This is a medicine that is fully effective too. I guarantee that through this power of yoga, you will never have any illness for 21 births. Simply remember the Father. It is such an easy method. On the path of devotion, people remember God out of ignorance. The Father now sits here and explains to you. You understand that you came to Baba in the previous cycle too, and that you also made effort then. You now have the firm faith that you used to rule the kingdom and that you then lost it. Now that Baba has come again, you have to claim your fortune of the kingdom from him again. The Father says, remember me and the kingdom, man mana bhava. Your final thoughts will lead you to your destination. The drama is now coming to an end. We are to return home. Baba has come to take everyone back home just as the bridegroom comes to take his bride home. Brides become very happy that they are going to go to their in-laws' home. All of you are Sitas who belong to the one Rama. Only Rama can release you from Ravan's jail and take you back home. The liberator is only one and he liberates you from the kingdom of Ravan. Although people do say, this is the kingdom of Ravan. They don't understand this accurately. This is now being explained to you children. You are being given very good points to explain to others. Baba has told you to write, peace is being established in the world by the Father as it was in the previous cycle. Establishment is taking place through Brahma. There used to be peace in the world when it was the kingdom of Vishnu. Hardly anyone understands that Vishnu is Lakshmi and Narayan. They consider Vishnu, Lakshmi and Narayan and Radhe and Krishna to be separate. You now understand this. You are the ones who spin the discus of self-realization. Shiv Baba comes and gives you the knowledge of the world cycle. We are now being made master oceans of the knowledge by him. You are rivers of knowledge. This name is given to you, children. People on the path of devotion wander around so much going to bath. They also perform a lot of charity and give donations. Wealthy ones give a lot in donation. They even donate gold. You now understand how much you used to wander around. You are not Hat Yogis, you are Raj Yogis. You used to belong to the pure household path and you then became impure in the kingdom of Ravan. The Father is now establishing the household religion according to the drama. No one else can create this pure path. People ask you, if all of you remain pure, how would the world continue? Tell them. So many sannyasis remain pure, yet the world hasn't stopped, has it? The world population has now grown so much that there isn't enough for people to eat. There's not enough grain, and so what's the point of making the world population grow even more? You children now understand that Baba is present in front of you. However, you cannot see him with your physical eyes. It is with your intellects that you souls understand that Baba is ever present in front of you and teaches you. Tell those who speak about world peace that the Father is now establishing peace in the world. Destruction of the old world is in front of us because of this. Destruction also took place 5,000 years ago. Even now, destruction is in front of everyone. Then, there will be peace in the world. These things are only in the intellects of you children. No one else in the world knows these things. No one else intellect is aware of these things. You know that there was peace in the whole world in the golden age. At that time, there was no land other than Bharat. All the other lands came later. There are now so many lands, it is now the end of this play. People say that God definitely does exist, but they don't know who He is or in what form He comes. It cannot be Krishna. No one could make you to do anything through inspiration or his own power. The Father is the most beloved. You receive your inheritance from Him. The Father creates heaven. Therefore, He would surely inspire that destruction of the old world. You know that Lakshmi and Narayan existed in the golden age. They are now becoming that again through their own efforts. There should be this intoxication. They used to rule in Bharat. Shiv Baba gave that kingdom and departed. You wouldn't say that Shiv Baba ruled that kingdom and then departed. No, he departed after giving the people of Bharat that kingdom. Lakshmi and Narayan used to rule that kingdom. Baba has come to give us the kingdom once again. He says, "Sweet children, remember me and spin the cycle." You have taken 84 births. When someone makes less effort, you can understand that he has done less devotion. Those who have done a lot of devotion will make a lot of effort. Baba explains everything so clearly. However, it has to sit in your intellects. Your duty is to make effort. If you have done less devotion, you will not be able to have yoga. Remembrance of Shiv Baba will not stay in your intellects. Never become slack in making effort. When you see how powerful Maya is, don't have heart failure. Many storms of Maya will come. It has also been explained to you children that it is the souls that do everything. The bodies will be destroyed. When a soul leaves his body, the body turns to dust. That body will not be taken again. So, what then is the benefit of remembering it and crying? Would that same body be taken again? That soul has already left and taken another body. You are now earning such a huge income. You are crediting your account, whereas everyone else is debiting their account. Baba is the innocent businessman. This is why he gives you palaces for 21 births in return for a handful of rice. He gives so much interest. You can accumulate as much as you want for the future. However, do not think that you can give that to him at the end. What would he do with it at that time? He is not a foolish businessman. Of what use would it be if he couldn't use it but yet had to give interest for it? He wouldn't take anything from such people. You receive palaces for 21 births in return for a handful of rice. You receive so much interest. Baba says, I am the number one innocent. I give you the kingdom of the world. Simply belong to me and do service. It is because he is the innocent Lord that everyone remembers him. You are now on the path of knowledge. Now follow the Father's Srimad and claim your kingdom. You tell Baba that you have come to claim your kingdom and that too in the Sun dynasty. Acha. May your mouth be sweetened. May it happen practically. Acha. To the sweetest, beloved, long lost and now found children, love, remembrance and good morning from the mother, the father, Bap Dada. The spiritual father says Namaste to the spiritual children. Spiritual children in return to its spiritual father says, Good morning Baba, Namaste, Namaste, Namaste. Essence for Dharna. Claim the kingdom by following Srimad. Give a handful of rice and claim a palace for 21 births. Accumulate an income for the future. While living at home with your family, finish all your attachment to the old world and become completely pure. While doing everything, keep your intellect focused on the Father. Blessings. May you be truly loving and constantly experience the company of Father Brahma, the one with 1,000 arms. At present, the part of Father Brahma is with 1,000 arms is being enacted. Just as arms are not able to do anything without the soul, in the same way, the arms, that is, the children, cannot do anything without Bap Dada. In every task there is first the Father's help. While the part of establishment is being played, Bap Dada is with the children in every thought and at every second. Therefore, do not put up a curtain of separation and be separated in yoga. Move along in the waves of the ocean of love. Sing His praise, but do not become hurt. The practical form of love for the Father is to be loving. Slogan. The experience and practice of the bodiless stage is the basis for claiming a number ahead. The experience and practice of the bodiless stage is the basis for claiming a number ahead. Om Shanti. Thank you, Baba.